Time to present our new version of the Nuuk E-line. It's a duo version, customer demand, super high demand on this. Most of Europe needs 2 light points when you use driving lights. So this one is approved. 2 times reference 20, so it will be according to regulation. You have the relay built in. You get 1 lux for over 400 meters, not consuming much power, so it's super good for electrical vehicles. So it's easy mount. You get everything included, what you need in the package. So check out the website. Let us know what you think. Thank you.